know that you can now create groups within your Seesaw classroom. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to go up to the top right hand corner to your wrench and click on that. And you're going to go below Manage Students to Manage Student Groups. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to give my group a name. So I'm going to call this Group 1 and add the group. Now when I add the group, I can select the students that should be in Group 1 and then click on the check mark. So now I've created my first group. So now when I'm ready to add an assignment, I'm going to go ahead and add an assignment or an activity. I'm going to look here and I'm just going to grab this activity. I'm going to click on Assign, and then I'm going to click on my classroom. And then where it says Edit Students, I'm going to click here and just select Group 1. And now I'm assigning that activity just to those students. So this is a great way to differentiate activities for your students in Seesaw.